Deep within the rainforests of Southeast Asia, a spectacle of color catches the eye. The Nicobar pigeon, a dazzling jewel of the bird world, stands out amongst the verdant foliage. Imagine a bird draped in shimmering emerald, its neck adorned with a flowing mane of long, iridescent feathers that shift between shades of green and blue. A splash of crimson on its legs and a pure white tail complete the picture, making this pigeon a true marvel of nature. The Nicobar pigeon is not just a pretty face, its vibrant colors are a testament to its unique evolutionary journey. Isolated on remote islands, this bird developed its striking appearance, a far cry from the drab browns and grays of its mainland cousins. This visual symphony is a reminder of the incredible diversity that nature is capable of producing. The Nicobar pigeon is an islander at heart, its life intertwined with the rhythms of the sea and the lushness of tropical forests. Its range stretches across a chain of islands in the Indian Ocean, from the Nicobar Islands, which give the bird its name, to Indonesia and the Philippines. These islands, with their warm, humid climates and dense vegetation, provide the perfect sanctuary for this colorful bird. Imagine walking through a sun-dappled forest, the air thick with the scent of damp earth and exotic flowers. The Nicobar pigeon calls this environment home, building its nest high in the canopy, away from predators. These islands, untouched by the heavy hand of industrialization, offer a glimpse into a world where nature reigns supreme. The Nicobar pigeon is a true omnivore, its diet as diverse as the islands it calls home. From fallen fruits and seeds on the forest floor to insects and snails gleaned from the undergrowth. This bird is a master of adaptation. Its strong beak, capable of cracking open hard seeds, is a testament to its resourcefulness. Picture a group of Nicobar pigeons foraging amongst the leaf litter, their iridescent feathers catching the sunlight as they move. Their diet, a mix of plant and animal matter, ensures their survival in a constantly changing environment. This adaptability is key to their success in a world where resources can be scarce. Section 4. The shadow of threat, challenges to survival. Despite its resilience, the Nicobar pigeon, like many island species, faces an uncertain future. Habitat loss, driven by deforestation and human encroachment, casts a long shadow over its survival. The once pristine forests are disappearing at an alarming rate, leaving the Nicobar pigeon with fewer places to call home. Adding to the pressure is the illegal pet trade, fueled by the bird's striking beauty. Poachers, seeking to profit from its rarity, pose a constant threat. The capture and trade of these birds not only decimate their populations, but also disrupt the delicate balance of their island ecosystems. Section 5. Guardians of the forest. Protecting the Nicobar pigeon. The fate of the Nicobar pigeon hangs in the balance, but there is hope on the horizon. Conservation efforts are underway to protect this magnificent bird and its fragile island habitats. Organizations around the world are working tirelessly to raise awareness about the plight of the Nicobar pigeon and the importance of preserving its home. These efforts involve establishing protected areas within the Nicobar pigeon's range, safeguarding its nesting sites, and cracking down on poaching. Educating local communities about the importance of conservation is also crucial, fostering a sense of stewardship for this feathered jewel. Section 6. A future full of color. Hope for the Nicobar pigeon. The future of the Nicobar pigeon remains uncertain, but the dedication of conservationists and the growing awareness of its plight offer a glimmer of hope. By protecting its forest home, addressing the threats it faces, and inspiring a new generation of conservationists, we can ensure that this splash of color continues to grace our planet for generations to come. Imagine a future where the Nicobar pigeon thrives once more, its calls echoing through the forests, a testament to the power of conservation and the resilience of nature. It's a future worth striving for, a future where the symphony of colors in our natural world remains vibrant and alive.